I am Mumtaz from RAVINDHRA Global Schools. So today morning we had a field trip at Prakruthi farmland. So for all the students of nursery to grade 9, and all the students were very happy with this educational field trip. So most of the zones were covered. So in that there are most of the zones are related to apiculture and trekking, and with all the pets our students were spent here, and basing on the agriculture and organic agriculture they were explained in a well manner. So I hope that this educational trip is very effective. In the morning session they have allotted for the activities related to education, and afternoon session it was a very interactive session like swimming pool and pottery, art and craft and seed ball. So all the activities are arranged in a well manner. So I thank all the staff of Prakruthi Farmland for arranging this schedule to us. So thank you all the staff are very cooperative and they explained very well to our students. Thank you.